So I've got all of the names plugged into this wheel, and the names are taken from all of the comments from YouTube and Facebook that were sent before midnight on Monday. And these are all of the names. The winner of this draw would be taking home the Mars Hydro TS1000 Grow Lights kit. And without further ado, we have a winner, and the winner is Joe Richards. Joe, please let me know what your details are. Send me an email or private message on my email, flashing here in the screen, and yeah, we'll be sending the Grow Lights kit to you. Thank you everyone else for joining, and I'll be using the same names for my separate plant giveaway. Again, I regret to say that I am only allowed to send to certain parts of Australia due to the restrictions. Again, thank you everyone for all of your questions and comments. I'll be addressing some of these questions in future short form videos, and I'll see you in those videos. Bye.